Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 20th August. And first of all, national news. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said on Friday that he wanted to join the army but couldn't due to difficulties in his family. As the CBI raided Manish Sisodia, the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister, the Aam Aadmi Party sneered that the agency would find nothing but pencils and geometry boxes at his home. Duty of trial court to ensure that trial is not prolonged, Supreme Court. 7 crore rural families given piped water connection in 3 years, PM Modi. Arvind Kejriwal said the CBI raids are the result of the good performance of his ministers. Former Bihar MLA Ranjan Tiwari, on the run for over 2 decades, was arrested in Rexall near the India-Nepal border, police said. Now some international news. WHO pushed for 2 treatments that significantly reduce deaths from Ebola. Not looking to seize any Syrian territory, says Turkey's president. Florida woman arrested for calling 911 more than 12,000 times to abuse officers. UN chief expected to visit Ukraine's war-hit part of Odessa. Anger understandable, attack unjustifiable. Imran Khan on Salman Rushdie. Chinese government ordered dimming lights amidst heat wave power crunch. 2 Ethiopian Airlines pilots fell asleep at 37,000 feet, missed landing. It happened on Monday. NASA's Artemis 1 mission, the mission is set to take off for a flight to the moon on August 19. China issued drought alert, fights forest fires to save crops in heat wave. And now some sports news. I can focus on training without any worry. Commonwealth Games gold medalist Shrija Akula. India batter Jemimah Rodriguez has been ruled out of the ongoing season of the 100 after she picked up an injury. And now news related to business. Sensex crashed below 60,000, Nifty falls over 1%, snapping latest winning streak. Rajasthan accounts for highest share in cost of projects in 2021 to 22, RBI report. Retail inflation for farm, rural workers rise to 6.82% in July. Rupee fell 20 paise to close at 79.84 against US dollar. Block mechanism in DMAT accounts must for shares sale from November 14 SEBI. Inflation unacceptably and uncomfortably high, said RBI chief. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 20th August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 32 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.